Hey, it's Eran here. I wanted to do a quick tutorial overview on Groove Funnels, which presently is a software company building sales funnels, digital product services, websites, video hosting, all sorts, and it's currently in beta. I'm doing this video. It is now Saturday morning, just after midnight, 11 July 2020. And I think it's really important for me to go over this software because right now they do offer a one-time payment and I do affiliate it. And I think that for some people, this could be a really, really good choice. Okay. Not for everybody. Unfortunately, I'm one of these people that I don't think it's a good choice for me. And I'll explain why. So this video is about why I chose not to invest in this software, but and give you my reasons for it, but give you also a perspective on why you should consider doing that potentially, okay? And what I will offer you if you do end up doing it from my link, okay? So for those who don't know, I use a number of softwares. I already have an established online business. I use WordPress for my main website. I use Podia for my course hosting platform. I use GetResponse for my email marketing. I use Webinar Ninja for my webinars. I also use MailerLite for some of my funnels, email marketing automation. I also use ConvertKit for the email marketing for my weekly live webinars that I do. And I also have my own software called Around Funnels, aroundfunnels.com, which obviously has hard costs for me personally. And I also license it. People subscribe to my funnel builder at $25 a month to sign up for that. Okay. And I do sell a lifetime access for $1,000, which I haven't actually sold any, but I do sell it if people are interested in a lifetime deal, which is essentially a 4 years in advance payment, and then you can have it for life. So that's my situation, and realize that I actually have a number of online courses, a number of I've got a membership, I've got people paying on a subscription. So for me to actually move away from all of that over to something like Groove Funnels or whatever, it just I'm not really going to save money. Okay. I might save money a little bit, but I have to get all my subscribers to resubscribe, which is painful. We're talking about 50, 60, maybe even 80 different subscriptions that I'll have to contact to 80 people or something saying, hey, could you please stop the payment on this credit card and pay it here? That's just ridiculous, right? That's just bad business because I will save a little bit of money. So just where I'm at, I'm already paying with passive income for my living expenses and my business expenses. And frankly, I can deduct all of those expenses anyway from my taxes anyway. So it just makes no sense to me. It's going to cost me so much more time. I will actually lose money by the time of transitioning everything. And that's why, even though I really like what they're doing with Groove Funnels, I've decided it's not for me to upgrade. But I did want to go over why you should consider it. If you're new to starting an online business, if you're wanting to start a side hustle, even if you don't know what to do yet, I think this is something you should seriously consider investing in. And let me show you a little bit of the inside, okay? So this is the homepage. You can go through it. It has all the bells and whistles for an online business, like everything, okay? Now, I'm going to log into my account and show you the inside a little bit, okay? So essentially what they have here, and this is all the features. I'll give you a broad overview. They've got Groove Funnels, which has Groove Pages, which is just the pages. Groove Sell, which is, I'm not sure what Groove Sell is. I don't remember exactly. Oh, let me just log in. Sorry. Groove Pages is just the pages for the website. Okay. They've got Groove Mail, which is the email marketing software, which you can have up to 25,000 subscribers, which if you look at other pricing of other softwares, it's actually quite expensive to have 25,000 subscribers. Okay. Just to give you a comparison, Active Campaign pricing, to have 25,000 subscribers just with Active Campaign, and that's just the email autoresponder. Let me just show you the numbers, okay? 20, let me just drag it. Yeah, okay, there you go, 50. So for 10,000 subscribers, 25,000 subscribers, you're paying on the smallest plan $225 per month. $225 per month for their smallest plan. Groove funnels, you can buy as a one-time payment deal, just to give you an idea. You pay 1,000.
Hi, I'm Michael Same. I'm the co-founder of Groove Funnels.
You pay. Okay, there you go. Yeah, you pay 1,000. 3 easy payments of $497, 6 payments of $288, or 12 payments of $188, or lifetime $137. Okay, which is a great deal. It really is a great deal. And you get 25,000 subscribers for Groove Mail. Okay. Then they have Groove Video, which is the alternative of Vistia. Okay. Now, Vistia, I won't show you the website, but you get 10 videos for $99 a month. Groove Video is unlimited videos, I think it is. And, that's included. Now, I pay for Videlo, which is another software similar to Groove Video, and I pay $22 per month, $29 per month, $297 a year for that. So this is another saving. You also get Groove Member, okay, which is the membership site. Here they have Groove Webinars. I pay $49 a month for Groove Webinars, which is my version. It's Webinar Ninja. They also have Calendar. I don't actually pay for a calendar, but if you were to pay for a calendar, it's like $9 a month, $12 a month, $15 a month. Okay. Groove Survey. I don't actually use any feature for that at the moment. And also they have, they've got also blog. Okay. So there's a blog that's going to come out, Groove blog, which I think is very good as well. And then they have other things like Groove Cart and Groove Pages for Shopify. So you can actually set up your e-commerce as well. Now, that's just to give you an idea. So when I look at this pricing, let me just give you an example. Let me just open up Google Docs. Okay, and I'll just give you an example just so you can kind of see a comparison of what I'm talking about in terms of the difference, right? In terms of the value you're getting. So if I was to use, I use currently Get Response. I'll show you my numbers, right? I'll actually show you my numbers. By the way, while this is loading, if you're new to this channel, I talk anything to do with software, making money online, business, entrepreneurship, things along these lines. Get Response, that's email marketing. I pay $15 a month. Okay. Podia, course and membership. I pay $79 a month. Webinar Ninja. That's for webinars. I pay $49 a month. Videlo, which is the video hosting. I pay $297 a year. Around funnels, I've got hard costs on that. I don't remember exactly how much. I'd say $3,000 a year, right? This is rough estimate. And then I've got also, that's up off the top of my head. I have a few others. So I've got others, but they don't cover Groove funnels. If you were just to do the math on that, okay? So I pay really when you do all of that. So here I pay, say, $300 a month, plus what, 25 a month, 325, 375, 450. Let's say I pay 400 or 450 a month. That's my expenses, right? With Groove Funnels, you get every features and everything that I actually currently pay for, but you get it for, in what I'm currently paying, it will take me 4 months, and that will cover lifetime access. Okay. When I'm looking at these numbers, you might be thinking, Iran, you're an idiot. You should do this, pay for it yourself. And, I still might change my mind. Okay. Um, but if you're just getting started, you should seriously consider signing up for this. I think this is really important for you to actually do your numbers. If you're serious about having an online business, this is a good deal. Okay. This is a really good deal. And the companies, they're full on. Okay. I mean, you just gotta see their marketing. They're pretty full on. They've raised $2 million already. But yeah, that's what I suggest. Check it out. You can use my affiliate link to sign up. It is free to try it out. So it is totally free. Once you sign up, you can play around with it, build a funnel for free, and go to upgrade. This upgrade page here, there's going to be a really good video from the CEO. I actually really enjoyed his video. It's 16 minutes where he explains everything and gives you all the value that you're getting so you can kind of know what the package is. So there you go. If you're interested, I definitely recommend you check it out. And that's about it. Thanks a lot for watching. If you're new to this channel, please do hit the subscribe button and leave a comment. If you're going to sign up for the free account, leave a comment below to let me know that you signed up. If you are going to sign up and actually pay, I will give you bonuses. What I mean by bonuses is maybe I'll actually help build the site for you. Maybe I'll give you a course that I sell for $297. Maybe I'll give you a free coaching call, which people pay me $300 a month. $300, sorry. Maybe I'll give you access to my membership for a year. I'm not sure. Just let me know once you paid. Let me know. I'll verify that I actually got a commission on it, and I'll get on a call and find out what you need and what you need help with. And I'll give you help with whatever it is that's going to be valuable. Like, I don't want to just give you some generic garbage bonuses like everybody else. I want to give you something that's actually going to give you value and help you. So there you go. What I mean by building your website, I might actually build a website for you. Okay, like I'll actually do it for you. Okay, potentially. Don't take my word for it. I just want to hear. But once you've paid, we can have a chat, and if I can help, maybe give you it for basically like retail price. Like I'll take no profit on the building site. We'll figure something out to help you. So there we go. I just wanted to do a quick review on why I decided not to pay for Groove Funnels, which I still might change my mind, but also why you should heavily consider doing that if you're looking to start an online business and you're wanting some sort of online presence and so on. This is as close as it gets to signing up with ClickFunnels on a lifetime deal when you're first getting started. So get in early, guys. This will definitely not last forever. It's not a sustainable business model for them. They're going to have to end this one-time payment very soon. So check it out. Let me know what you think. Cheers. Bye.